Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying the essentials. Confirm the Apple ID email and spelling, and make sure the device you're using is the primary one for sign-in. Next, check connectivity, switch between Wi-Fi and cellular, and temporarily disable any VPN or proxy because they can block Apple servers. Once done, set date and time to automatic and restart the device. This fixes certificate and token mismatches, which are a common reason an Apple ID appears as not valid. Now you test the account directly. Sign in at Appleid. Apple.com to isolate device issues. If authentication fails, choose Reset Password, use the trusted phone number or recovery email. This reissues valid credentials. Make sure two-factor authentication is responding on a trusted device and review the list of trusted devices and phone numbers. Once you update or reset credentials, sign back into the device and Apple services to renew tokens and restore access. Finish by signing out of Apple ID on the device, then sign back in to force a fresh token exchange. Make sure iOS or Mac OS is up to date because older builds reject new auth flows. Check for configuration profiles, MDM restrictions, or other Apple ID signed in remove or resolve conflicts. If the problem persists, contact Apple support and provide the device serial, screenshots of the error, and steps you tried. This helps escalate account or server issues that simple troubleshooting cannot fix.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.